Tuffaloy is a manufacturer of resistance welding products. Resistance welding is a technology that's used throughout automotive and industrial applications to join metal.
We are a fourth-generation family business. The company was started back in 1937 by my great-grandfather, and my goal is to continue to grow the company and pass it down to the next generation. One of the challenges we're facing as a manufacturer is the consumer mentality of things readily available to ship within a day continues to push down into our market. We're managing 5 sites in 4 different countries with a DOS-based green screen system.
We were basically one Windows update away from being out of business.
We started our Epicor journey in July of 2016. We made the decision after a 6-month project of determining what's the best ERP system for our organization. One of the ways that Epicor really stood out during discovery was they showed us how the system worked for each one of our different business models, and they also went above and beyond to prove that their system was capable of the unique customizations that were specific to our business. So we saw them as a partner and not just a software provider.
Our installation of Epicor, all of the data resides in the cloud. Each operator that's running a piece of equipment has an installation of Epicor. We use it for our labor and time collection. We also use it to see the product moving through the factory. And then each individual, whether it's accounting or customer service or an operations person, has an installation of Epicor on their desktop. But you can run it from a tablet, you can run it from a phone, you can run it from your computer at the house, you can run it from a laptop.
We saw our travel expenses for executives drop by about 50% after the system was deployed.
All manufacturers have to really make sure that they're on a continuous improvement journey. Part of that journey is trying to analyze the business, and when we have a lot of detail on that, we can find opportunities within the data.
Traditionally, our KPIs were done in Excel, printed on a piece of paper, and posted on the board. It wasn't real time, it was always looking into the past. With the Epicor Cloud system, we're able to display those KPIs and the information in real time on a daily basis so that employees can manage their day-to-day and improve the organization.
With Epicor, our on-time delivery has dramatically improved from what it was. Full quote-to-cash, integrated ERP, anywhere in the world we can get to the system, the functionality, the ability to get data in and out of the system, all the tool sets they provide, the training. It's absolutely a fantastic ERP system, and I could recommend it to anyone.